Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. On today's episode of Lish the Baker, we're celebrating National Dog Day. If you are anything like me, pretty much every day is National Dog Day, and I will take any excuse to pamper my puppies. Today we are going to be making homemade dog biscuits with peanut butter and turkey gravy. Now I know what you're thinking, that does not sound the most appealing, but trust me, ask your dog, that is the tip top of gourmet cooking. These are hard biscuits, so if your dog doesn't prefer a very crunchy biscuit, just cook it for a shorter amount of time. These treats are super easy and really adorable depending on which kind of cookie cutter you use. I have one large dog and one very small dog, so I used different types of cookie cutters for each of them. My big dog got dinosaurs, and my little dog got a bunny and a pig. If you don't have any cookie cutters, you can also just cut the biscuits into squares. I did that at the end, which you'll see in the video. This also works super well and your dog won't know the difference. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. Do your dogs like homemade biscuits? On today's episode of Bye!